Made Easy.
Hello, Abusia. Welcome back to Tree Made Easy. Today, we will learn the days of the week in Tree with Grandma Martha. Yebisia and ne wana wachinumu. Aya Kradin. Yen Shasie. In Tree, the first day of the week, which is Sunday, is called Kwasiada. Kwasiada. The second day of the week, which is Monday, is called Ejoada. Ejoada. The third day of the week, which is Tuesday, is called Ebenada. Ebenada. The fourth day of the week, which is Wednesday, is called Wukuada. Wukuada. Thursday is called Yawada. Yawada. Friday is called Efiada. Efiada. And the last day of the week is called Memenda. Memenda. So children, how do we say Sunday in Tree?
Kwasiada.
How about Monday?
Ejoada.
Tuesday?
Ebenada.
Wednesday?
Wukuada.
Thursday?
Yawada.
Friday?
Efiada.
Saturday?
Memenda.
My dear, mumbo munsema moho. Clap for yourself. Now let's move on to the next part of our lesson. In the Akan culture, you get a special name depending on the day you were born. It is called Kradin in Tree. Do you want to know your Kradin?
Yes, Grandma Martha. Please teach us. Try.
All right. So, in the Akan culture, if you were born on a Sunday and you are male, your name is Kwesi. Kwesi. If you are female, your name is Akosia. Akosia. If you were born on a Monday and you are male, your name is Kwejo. Kwejo. If you are female, your name is Ajwa. Ajwa. If you were born on a Tuesday and you are male, your name is Kwabna. Kwabna. If you are female, your name is Abna. Abna. If you are born on a Wednesday and you are male, your name is Kweku. Kweku. If you are female, your name is Ekia. Ekia. If you were born on a Thursday, your name is Yao if you are male. If you are female, your name is Ya. If you were born on a Friday and you are male, your name is Kofi. Kofi. If you are female, your name is Efia. Efia. If you were born on a Saturday and you are male, your name is Kwame. Kwame. If you were born on a Saturday and you're female, your name is Amma. Amma.
So, Grandma Martha, since I was born on a Friday and I'm female, that means my name is Efia.
Since I was also born on a Wednesday and I'm male, that means my name is Kwaku.
Yes, children, that is right. What about everybody else? What is your Kradin? If you don't know the day of the week on which you were born, be sure to ask Mom and Dad. Yedamwase, yebeshie. We shall meet again on the next lesson.
Trim ebenada onkoto onkoto obiara ya wunu ebenada onkoto onkoto la 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 obiara ya wunu efida onkoto onkoto obiara ya wunu efida onkoto onkoto la 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 obiara ya wunu memenenda onkoto onkoto obiara ya wunu memenenda onkoto onkoto la 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 la.
Children, did you notice some of the days of the week were omitted from our song? You did? Good job. Well, in the next session of our song, we are going to insert the names of those days. Why Kradin? Yen Shasie.
Obiara ya onkoto onkoto obiara ya koto onkoto la 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 obiara ya wun onkoto onkoto obiara ya wun onkoto onkoto la 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 obiara ya wun onkoto onkoto obiara ya onkoto onkoto la 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 la.
Yay, my dear. You were right. The missing days were Ejuada, Ukwada, and Yawada. Good job.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.